Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's begin with today's interesting recipe. Now here I've taken about a cup of peanuts and I've just soaked them, washed them first under running water. These are the raw peanuts and I've just soaked them for about 5 to 6 hours. You can even keep it overnight. Now these are all the other ingredients. All of the ingredients are going to be listed in the description box as well as the comments box. So here is some water, some red chili powder. There's some asafotedia and hing, mustard seeds or mori. This is some turmeric or haldi powder, half a teaspoon of each. This is about 1 or 2 tablespoons of homemade goda masala or kala masala. I'll leave a link for this recipe of how to make this masala at home. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, just about half a tablespoon of gur or jaggery. This is again half a tablespoon of tamarind, which I've just soaked in some warm water, some few curry leaves, and this is just for garnish, some fresh coconut and some coriander. Now I'm going to be making my usal in a pressure pan, but you can make it in a normal pot too. Now I'm just going to heat about 1 tablespoon of oil, to which I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now once my mustard seeds begin to splutter, I'm going to add the cumin seeds, which is again half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I'm going to add my fresh curry leaves. This is an extremely simple dish but very, very delicious. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of hing or asafotedia. Next goes in my turmeric or haldi powder. I'm going to give all this a little bit of a fry in the oil so that it flavors the oil and the spices get a little fried. Now I've drained all the water from the peanuts and I'm just going to add these peanuts. You will notice that they have swelled up because they've been in water, and that helps them to cook faster too. Now I'm just going to give everything a nice mix. Now we're going to add a little of the remaining ingredients. So I'm going to go with 1 teaspoon of chilli powder. You can make it half a teaspoon if you don't want it very spicy. We like our food nice and hot and spicy at my place. Mix everything well. Keep your flame on low to medium. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of goda masala. This is homemade. I'll leave a link down below in the description box as well as the comment box of how to make this homemade kala masala or goda masala. It's extremely simple, and if you don't want to make it at home, it's easily available in any general store. Just ask for kala masala or goda masala. Now I'm going to add about 1 cup of water, just enough water to cover up the peanuts. Mix everything well together. You're going to love this Shengadanyachi Usal. If you haven't made it yet, please give it a try. It's simply delicious. Now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. This Shengadanyachi Usal is so delicious that you can just eat it just like that. You don't need rice, you don't need chapatis or puris. You can just eat it by itself. Now I've just added some jaggery or gur. Again, you've got to add it according to taste. It's a little it should be on the sweeter side, little tangy. So now I've just squeezed out the tamarind and I'm just going to use the tamarind juice. This adds a lovely sour and tangy element to this dish. So this is sweet, this is sour, this is tangy. Now again, mix everything well together. And that's it, friends. We're done with all our ingredients. Now all we have to do is just close up the pressure pan. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit of the fresh coconut. This is completely optional, but I like the flavor of the fresh coconut. And then I'm just going to give it all a mix. And I'm going to close the pressure pan. And I'm going to cook this for 1 whistle on high, and then I'm going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. And here it is, friends. After the cooker cools down on its own and you open it up, you can see that it's all ready. You can check by just pressing one of the peanuts and it's just easily crushable. This is such an amazing dish. And now I'm just going to transfer it to a serving dish and just garnish it with my lovely fresh coconut and chopped coriander mixture. And that's it. Your Shengadanyachi Usal is all ready to enjoy. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.